Hello guys, welcome to my channel SwathiPharmaJnan, sharing knowledge. Today's topic is SAR of penicillin. This is the general structure of penicillin. We have seen the nomenclature and stereochemistry of penicillins in my previous video. First, what is SAR? SAR is nothing but structure activity relationship. What is the relation between structure and activity? Based on the structure, activity differs. We'll see the points one by one. At position 1, if sulfur atom is oxidized to sulfone or sulfoxide, it decreases the activity of the compound. So this is the position 1. This sulfur atom, if it is oxidized to sulfone or sulfoxide, then it will decreases the activity of the compound. The next point is methyl groups are necessary for activity at position 2. At position 2, two methyl groups are present, which are necessary for showing the antibacterial activity. Replacement of methyl groups decreases the activity. If we'll replace these methyl groups with ethyl groups or propyl groups or any other groups, then it will decreases the activity. At third position, carboxylic group of the thiazolidine ring is required for the antibacterial activity. At third position, there is carboxylic acid group of the thiazolidine ring which is required for the antibacterial activity. Replacement of carboxylic group with ether or alcohol group decreases the activity. Replacement of carboxylic group. This is replacement of carboxylic group. This carboxylic group, if we'll replace with any other group like ether group or alcohol group, it will decreases the antibiotic activity. The beta lactam ring is very much required for the antibiotic activity. What is beta lactam ring? Four-membered ring with one nitrogen and ketone group at fourth position is called beta lactam ring. We can also call this beta lactam ring as acetidinone. Nitrogen atom is must for penicillins. For penicillins, nitrogen atom is must. No substitution is allowed at fifth position. At fifth position, this is fifth position. At fifth position, there should not be any substitution. Amide side chain. This is amide side chain at sixth position. This amide side chain with R group. R group may be alkyl group or aryl group is essential for antibiotic activity. This is regarding SAR of penicillins. We'll see the structures of penicillins and its uses in my next video. Thank you.